This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We're helping Mummy. Come on. Sing song. Dad's asked us to post some leaflets for him today.
Thank you.
To people who might want to use one of his helpful driver's minibuses. We need to get them to the post box on time.
You two are very good at stuffing envelopes.
We are. I put the leaflet in the envelope, then I pass it to Tim, and then I seal it and stick a stamp on it. I love doing envelopes for Dad. All done.
And Dad will be very pleased if we can get all of these posted today.
Yeah, he will. How will we get all of this post to the post box? I know how. How? Oh, where is it? In our trolley.
Oh, good idea, Tim.
Doorbell, I'll get it.
I'll open the door.
Okay. It's Mr Rosen and two of his friends.
Hello, Topsy and Tim.
Hello, Mr Rosen.
Oh, hello, Mr. Rosen.
Hello, Mr.
everybody.
Rosen.
Please come in.
Mr Rosen tells us that he and his friends were just driving past our house in a helpful driver's minibus when the minibus stopped working.
The minibus doesn't work. Look.
Oh. Where were you going in the minibus, Mr Rosen?
Well,
Mr Rosen tells us that he and his friends were going on an outing to the theatre today when their bus broke down just outside our house. I'm sure the driver will fix it for you, Mr
I hope so.
Please sit down, make yourselves comfortable. And
Thank
who
you.
would like a cup of tea?
Oh,
Yes,
thank you.
please.
Wonderful. What a day. Oh, now, let me introduce all my friends to each other properly. Mr. Nicholas and Miss Kidd, these are my good friends, Topsy and Tim. Topsy and Tim, these are my great friends, Mr. Nicholas and Miss Kidd.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, very pleased to meet you, Topsy and Tim.
We've heard such a lot about you two.
Would you like to know a secret about Mr. Nicholas?
Yes, please.
He can do a very good owl impression. And
Wow.
would you like to know a secret about my friend, Miss Kidd?
Yes, please.
She can play the ukulele.
What's the ukulele?
This is a ukulele. This is a ukulele.
It looks like a small guitar.
You're right, Tim.
Miss Kidd always brings her ukulele on our bus journeys.
Can you play it for us, please, Miss Kidd? Yes, please.
Of course I will. Let me see. Sister Topsy, Sister Topsy, Brother Tim, Brother Tim. The bus is broken outside. We're all here inside with Topsy and Tim, with Topsy and Tim.
Oh, you were good.
Thank you, Tim.
There's tea and biscuits in the kitchen now.
Yay! Come on, Mr. Rosen. Please, will you show me how to play, Miss Kidd?
Yes, I will. Now you hold that like that.
anybody take sugar?
Yes, please. 3.
Okay. That's very unusual, Mr Nicholas.
While Tim plays the ukulele, I put sugar into Mr Nicholas's tea. He drinks it with 3 sugars. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, thank you, Topsy.
Good gracious. What a lot of envelopes. Can we help?
Yes, we can tidy up the envelopes.
Oh, lovely.
In time to Tim's music.
Good idea.
Some juice for you.
Thank you,
Miss
Mummy.
Kids. Oh, thank you very much. Welcome.
Very good, Tim.
Thank you.
Try pressing here with a finger on your other hand. And strum again.
That sounds even better.
Yes, that's because you're playing a chord.
A chord. What's a chord?
That's what musicians call it when you put your fingers on here to make nice music.
Mummy, Topsy, I'm playing a chord.
Well done, Tim.
And there are songs we can all sing if you keep strumming that chord. Get ready to sing, everybody in the kitchen.
Okay.
There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and 1 fell out. There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and 1 fell out. There were 2 in the bed.
Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Kid. I think I've broken your ukulele.
No, Tim, you haven't broken it. I just need to do this. Watch.
Miss Kid retuned the ukulele so it sounds great again.
There we go. Now you can play it again for us all.
Okay.
Get ready to sing, everyone.
Okay.
Ready? There were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and 1 fell out.
It's the last envelope.
There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, hooray!
Well done, Tim.
Brilliant.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Kid. Thank you for teaching me how to play the ukulele.
It was so much fun helping you, Tim.
Thank
Oh,
you.
the minibus is fixed, everyone. Look at the state of my hands.
You can wash them in the kitchen if you like. Straight on for me. Thank you.
We're going to the theatre.
Hooray! Tip-top, off we pop.
What did you say, Miss Kid?
Oh, Miss Kid always says, tip-top, off we pop, whenever she's leaving somewhere.
Please, can you say it again, Miss Kid?
Tip-top, off we pop. Oh, or how about tip-topsy, off we popsy?
Or Tim, Topsy, off we posty. You've got all those envelopes to post, remember?
Yeah. I'll get the trolley. And that's when Mr Rosen said, there's plenty of room for you and your trolley in the minibus.
There's plenty of room for you and your trolley in the minibus, Topsy and Tim. We can give you a lift to the postbox.
Yay, thank you.
Well, come on, everybody. What do we say?
Tip-top,
Off we pop!
and that said everyone was that. Oh, careful. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today we had a sing-song. But can you remember what instrument Tim learnt to play? Was it a ukulele? Or was it a recorder? The answer is behind the clouds. Look, the answer is a ukulele. Great game! That was good fun. See you soon!